Here's how to make a photo collage on your iPhone without using any extra apps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Shortcuts app. This is a default app, so you don't need to download anything. At the bottom of the screen, tap Gallery. This is where you can find built-in shortcuts. Tap the search bar and type Photo Grid. When it appears, tap the plus icon to add it. Now, go back to the Shortcuts tab. At the top, you'll see Photo Grid. Tap on it to start. Choose the photos you want in your collage. You can select 2, 3, or even more photos. Then tap Add. Your iPhone will automatically generate a collage based on the order you selected the photos. You can preview it instantly. Tap the share icon, then choose Save Image. The collage will be saved directly to your Photos app. The more photos you select, the collage layout changes automatically. You can repeat this anytime to create different collages. And that's it. You've created a photo collage on iPhone without downloading any apps. Subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.